Welcome back! In today's video I'll be showing you how to change the keyboard brightness on a MacBook. You might want to change the keyboard brightness and make it lower to save battery life, or make it brighter to see it easier. The method should be the same no matter what MacBook you are using, and it's nice and simple so it shouldn't take us too long. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To change the keyboard backlight brightness on a MacBook, first go to and click on the options icon in the top right. This is the icon to the left of the time and date. In here, click on the option called keyboard brightness and then simply drag the bar to the left to lower the brightness of the keyboard or to the right to increase it. If you click on keyboard preferences, it will allow you to customize a few more settings. These include making the keyboard adjust its brightness automatically in low light, or to make the keyboard light turn off automatically after a certain amount of inactivity. You can close the settings once you have made the changes you want. And so that is how to change the keyboard brightness on a MacBook. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your macOS device. Help support the channel by visiting the store, the link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.